We're doing cream of mushroom. I mean, this is the ultimate classic of all soups, isn't it? Cream of mushroom soup. Like, you got to have that one in your repertoire, right? So that being said, this recipe tonight is brand new. It is not in this book and is not in this book. So first of all, if you haven't got these books yet, what's going on, folks? ChefDez.com. And I even provide you the Amazon links. Let's get busy, folks. Wow, I mean, I love this. This is really good. There you have it, folks. Classic cream of mushroom soup from the Chef Dev Zoom classes. See you next time, folks.